Hi everyone, good to interact with you. Though you are all at home, I too am at home, but our classes, our discussions need to go on. So let's start from the very beginning, maybe a little bit of summary of what we have already been discussing or talking about in the last few classes. Well, one thing is certain that in the efforts that you have given in to produce the Brainware news in the last five issues has made you have certainly made you confident of the rules of rather the basic rules of journalism, which are very important. I have been telling you from the very beginning. Some of the things which you have been learning in class, you have already applied, and I must say, and applied quite well. I'm sure there is a lot of rooms for improvement, and that you will do in course of time. But one thing you have to keep in mind that the deadline is important. You can't lazy around, and think of writing stories or something which is important, keeping it for next day or something. That is not done in journalism. You will have to do it at that moment when you find that it is important that you do it at that moment itself when things are hotting up. Like, for example, present day, the issue is everybody is worried about the corona, the impact of corona, and what it will be in the context of the pandemic that it has taken shape around the world, what it happens to India in general, and also particularly to us here in Calcutta and Brainware University and among you students. We have taken steps to let you or allow you to stay at home, but then we need to be keeping ourselves abreast. That's important for any journalist students, any journalist, to keep in the know of things, whatever is happening. So I have given you some sources which you should cultivate to keep yourself updated with facts and figures, and then be able to write confidently about the progress of this pandemic here as well as elsewhere.